Jaka Ahmad ke Secretariat ke Bangawan pan ay musim lem ya kini Nonghikai SSC baro. Kani galong kesin ke Baar ke Bangawan ban yuk cat hakani keju ke Jaka. Abang mencua siwan ki Nonghikai jong ke Addl. Ki Nonghikai Addl ru kila Shong kani keju Jaka ban kila bu ki Singkawa. La da kitayo. Menta biang yo I ki Nonghikai SSC ki wan ki Shong hakani keju Jaka. Ban raise ya ke problem jong ki Shaka Sarkar. The problem jong ki Nonghikai kamdei ke batmai. Kamtam jong ki SSC teachers. Ki SSC teachers menta ki labo ya ke Jngoh la selamba. Badai ban siu ya ka tulak jong ki regularly. Nang ta menta kumangi so ngriu benai kimpat yo ya ke tulak jong ki. Mano bala ban penya ya ke yen ke sem. Lem don kanono kajing siu lan ne kandon ya ke tulak. Namla ban sautu nakalian ke Sarkar kay ka daw baka snap man bad balay ka kam ay kata ka tulop igini lang runa. Kajingkili mata sa kalong siano ka ja ka pisa ka baday hok igini ki SSC teacher. Ka Sarkar ka ban pensay hakmat kini Nonghikai baro. Bad hadu menta ka Sarkar kampat khot igini ki leaders ban yitren ban penbet. Ngam ko ban yu ki Nonghikai baro kin supoy hasurok bad ban khang kherdap Yaki school. We cannot close down the schools and allow the teachers to come in the streets like this every time. The government should take responsibility of the downfall of education in the state. If for a lot of weeks we saw ad hoc teachers on the street, that means SSA schools are also closed. So how long are we going to tolerate? How long are we going to tolerate this? It has affected kalakta ya kapulia puthi jong ki khon jongi. Ki khon jongi kim yo shu. Ya ka jingnang jing start ki khon jongi kim yo shu ban school. Ars nem shwa ngila yo ya ka jing saja bom yo ban school namar menta u covid. Menta mandala pli ki school hak khang biang namar baki strike ki Nonghikai. Who is responsible for this? It is the government who is responsible for this. The government should come and talk to these teachers and release their pending salaries and also enhance whatever salary that they are requiring and try to sort out their problem. Lessen the problems of the teachers. I want to see that these teachers go back to their respective schools. I urge upon the government that the government should send back these teachers back to the schools and release their salary so that our education improves in the state. We cannot allow this regular feature of teachers coming on the road. I urge upon the education minister that the education minister should immediately call the leaders of the SSA association and sort out this matter within this week. We will not tolerate to see teachers every time coming on the road like this.